Hey guys, my name is Dimitri and this is a video for new arrival at Car City Inc. A beautiful 2013 Chrysler Town & Country minivan, fully loaded. This one is a touring edition, a beautiful color, very dark blue. And as you can see, body is in excellent condition, looks great. Paint is very nice, no big scratches, no dents, no dings. It's got clean Carfax, it's got clean title, nice chrome grille. There is a fog lights right down there. Rims, tires, all in good condition. Let's look inside. Again, very clean in and out. Leather power seats. Ready for all your trips. Looks beautiful, just came from the detail. There is a climate control. There is a touch screen with rear view camera. 104,000 miles, no warning lights on. All power options, power windows and locks, power doors. This one is a stow and go as well, so those seats go down. Again, as you can see, it's in great shape, very clean, very hard to find. It's got DVD. So the spring break is coming, summer trips are coming. Guys, don't spend a lot of money on air tickets. You know, you can drive, you can enjoy your time with your family. Beautiful minivan for sale at Car City Inc. in Palatine. Not gonna stay here for a long time, at least for the good price. So if you guys have any questions, if you guys want to look at all the pictures and the free copy of the Carfax report, you can find it at our website, carcitychicago.com. Our sales team is ready to answer all your questions. Finance is available, extended warranty is available. We have a great selection of used vehicles in Palatine at Car City Inc. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.